Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February. So the theme for this month is Afterglow. First thing I used was the Pharmacy Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. That's supposed to soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. You can use this cleanser on a daily basis. Also, if you have sensitive skin, you can still use this because it says you guys were kept in mind here. And this retails for $22 and it is a full size. The next item is going to be this, which I'm super excited because everybody raves about this and I have been dying to buy it, but I just haven't gotten around to. So this is from the brand Touch and Soul and it's the No Pore Blend Primer. So this is supposed to smooth and it's supposed to fill in your pores. This retails for $18 and it is a full size. Primer, I really liked how it went on. I think I need to, instead of rubbing it in, I feel like I just have to like pat it into the skin. I think that would make a big difference. I do still see like my pores right here. I don't know if you guys can really notice, but oh, sorry. I don't know if you guys can really see, but like this area, it's my pore blematic area. You can still definitely see the pores. I can see them. I don't know if you guys can see them on camera, but I'm sure you guys can. And also on this side as well, like right here. Usually after I have powdered my face, they're not very noticeable with my POREfessional. So I don't know, I have to give it another try. See if instead of pushing it in, instead of rubbing it, makes a big difference. Because everybody reads about this and everybody's like, yes, this really blurs out your pores. They're like not there anymore with this. I'm gonna give it another shot. I'm gonna keep trying it out. I'm not gonna give up on it. So yeah, those are my overall thoughts for this baby boy right here. The next thing in the box is this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. This is in the color Glow Up number 126. Super gorgeous and beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. See how it looks on the skin. Wow, such a beautiful gold shade. I love it. I love that it's like bright enough when you turn your cheek, but it's like gentle as well. It's like it's the best of both worlds. I really like this highlight. I love like, it's like boom, but it's not too beaming, you know? Like this is perfect on a, like if you want to apply some highlight, but you don't want it to be like super bright on your face, you know. This retails for $32. Next in the box we have this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. To be 100% honest, I really do not like Better Than Sex mascara. I love the volume. I love that it makes your lashes super long and everything, but it's not my favorite. I love this one. This is the Monster Big from Lancome, and I am a ride or die for this mascara. It gives everything this one does, but more. I love this one. This is my all-time favorite mascara, and I just live right for this one. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna try this mascara on. And also a con from this mascara is that since I do curl my lashes, because my lashes are straight, so I have to curl them, and this mascara brings my lashes back down. This one does not. So that's the only reason why I don't like this one, because a lot of US mascaras do that. They tend to bring my lashes back down. This one doesn't do it, and normally like the mascaras that I use that are from Mexico don't do that either. So yeah, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna try it on. Mascara retails for $24. So I don't know if you guys noticed, especially in that close-up, how curly my eyelashes were from when I first started, and especially in the before and after. I mean, it's really hard to see the before and after because you can barely even see my lashes. After I put on the mascara, it definitely like brought them back down. Like, this mascara is just too heavy for my lashes. I love the volume that it gives them. I love like the length that it provides, but I just feel like this mascara is just too heavy for my lashes. It literally just brought them down like nothing. I don't know what to tell you guys. This is why I don't use the Better Than Sex mascara. I just rather give it to somebody that's gonna use it and that works for better. But you know, now I use this one, so can't really give it to anybody. I can give it to my sister-in-law if she wants it, because her lashes are really curly and beautiful. So if she wants it, you can have it. Toma. Moving on from that disaster. So moving on. So the last thing in the box is this. So this is from the brand Trustique, and I think we have definitely gotten this brand before. And this is a, hold on, let me find it. So this is a primer and glaze lip crayon. So this is for your lips. And this, it retails for $25. And the bottom part is a primer. So this goes on your lips. And then the top you have the color. How cool. Excited to try this. Look, you guys, it's like a magnet. Wow, so cool. Nice. Okay, so I really like that. My thoughts on the lip crayon. So I think that the primer made the color go on as a lip balm. It felt like it was going on as a lip balm. It felt really smooth. It was like it glide on with effortlessly, like with no effort. Doesn't look like a lip gloss. Definitely doesn't look like a lipstick. Feels really nice on the lips. It's not drying and it's not sticky, and it's like, it feels nice. It feels nice on the lips. And what I liked about the lip color is that the more you go over it and over it, the darker it gets, the more color it gets, the intenser it gets. So I really like that. Did I tell you guys the price of this? This is $25. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.